Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to fix Steam login error. Too many tries. That is literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. If you're encountering the too many login failures error on Steam, it means you made too many unsuccessful login attempts in a short period of time. Steam temporarily locks your account to prevent unauthorized access. Here are some steps to resolve this issue. First method would be the lock usually lasts about 30 minutes to an hour. Waiting for this period to pass is the simplest solution. Next method, completely exit Steam by right-clicking on the Steam and hidden icons and selecting Exit Steam. And just reopen Steam and try logging in again after the lock period has expired. Another method, go to the Steam login screen and click on Help, I can't sign in. Then click on Forgot my password and just follow the instructions to reset your password. This can help if you suspect someone else might be trying to access your account. Another method, if you're using Steam website, open your browser, then hit on the settings like three dots, and find the options to clear cache and cookies. Then clear the data, restart your browser, and try logging in again. Another method, if you are using VPN or proxy, try disabling it. Sometimes Steam security measures may flag these suspicious. Another method, try logging in using the Steam mobile app. Sometimes this can bypass the temporary lock. Next method, ensure Steam Guard is enabled for added security. This can help prevent unauthorized access and reduce the chances of encountering login issues. To do this, go to Steam, Settings, Security, and click on Manage Steam Guard. Another method, if you suspect unauthorized attempts to access your account, check your recent activity. Still on account, click on View Account Details. Check for any unfamiliar devices or locations. Last method, if you continue to experience issues or suspect your account may be compromised, you have to contact Steam support and provide detailed information about the issue and any steps you have taken. Steam support can help you regain access and secure your account. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.